Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell from the title, we shall be doing a Lookfantastic unboxing. This is the January 2021 box. Yes, January is almost over. How? I don't know, but yes, the first month of 2021 has swooped by and we're off to unboxing a new Lookfantastic box. For this month, it is a lavender box, and when you open up, it looks something like this. Little sticker right over there. Nothing has been opened yet. I kept it as a surprise for me too. I haven't seen the website, so I don't know what we're expecting. So let's dive right in. Ugh, I hate tearing up the packaging. It's so cute. So. Okay, alright. So this is what I can see at first glance. I don't think we have a book. We usually have a leaflet with the products and some Lookfantastic updates. However, I'm not seeing that. Maybe they forgot, or maybe they're stopping. Anyways, so the first thing I see is the SVR Hydralien Légère. Looks something like this. I've never tried anything from SVR Beauty. However, I'm eager to give it a try. This is, okay, it's all in French. No Italian, no French, no Italian. French and Italian. Okay, so this is a hydrating cream from what I can tell, from my little knowledge of Italian. Acqua adatta al 60%, crema idratante intensa, pelle normali mista. Okay, so this is for normal and combination skin, and it is a hydrating cream. So, and it looks intense moisturizing cream made in France, and it looks something like this. There you go. 1.3 fluid ounces, so it's not bad as a product. However, sadly, I don't know how much it costs, because usually on the leaflet they give us, we really have the prices and whether or not they are full size. So I will leave an image right over here so you can see it's full size and its pricing. But I'm excited. Moisturizing creams for me are a godsend because I have very dry skin, so this would be very handy for me. So that's the first one. Now, moving on. Ooh, a sponge. Oh, okay, I can never say no to a sponge. So this is the Complexion Sponge. I'm guessing the brand is So Eco. The face of responsible beauty. Okay. Oh, I hate when they have tape. So let's just whip it open. Alright, we got it. Ooh, how cute it's come. Oh, it's so soft. Do you wet it maybe? I don't know. Super soft and cruelty free, this complexion sponge is perfect for flawless custom coverage with liquid foundations. The sponge has rounded sides to blend large areas of the face, precision tip helps to cover blemishes and imperfections. So, just like your standard beauty brand. We are planting one tree for every 100 products sold. That's so great. Profit supports Tree Nation. Okay, it looks something like this. Super soft and super bouncy, guys. I can't wait to try it out. Beauty blenders are so expensive, so I try to find dupes as much as I can for, because 20 euro for just one blender, which gets dirty pretty quickly. I mean, it's a bit pricey. Plus, beauty blenders are available more, so you need to get it online. So there is that too. So I'm happy about that. Yay. So next up, this little tube, and this is the Verso Eye Cream. It looks something like this. There you go. So this is 0.23 fluid ounces and nourishing formula for skin around the eyes. I love eye creams. Hair gets really dry and sometimes I do suffer from milia. I don't know if you know what they are. They're like little white bumps. They're like little white heads around the eye. I don't have them right now, but sometimes I do tend to suffer from them. So, okay. Scent. Ooh, it's thick. It's thick, so I'm guessing it's quite nourishing for the eyes. fact, extra nourish. Funny. Okay, so that's a nice little nugget to have. Eye cream. Eye cream is going to get very expensive, so again, I will leave it over here. How much this costs and its full size. I'm guessing it is full size because eye creams tend to be quite small. As you know, because it's only for the eyes. That is the third product we got in the Lookfantastic box of this month. So, let's see, a large mask. Is this a face mask? Oh, Nourishing hand mask gloves. Oh, cool. Alright, this is from Skin. It's a bit reflective. There it is. Okay, and it is the Hollywood hand model. The secret revealed. What is the secret? I wonder. So, alright, these are gloves. Step 1, wash hands and towel dry. Carefully separate the infused felt inner layers before putting on the gloves. Use stickers to securely close gloves at the wrist. Leave glove on for 15 minutes. Enjoy your completely nourished, smooth, soft cuticles and hands. I've never tried a hand mask before. I'm quite excited. And Skin, we've had Skin masks in the past. I've had a face mask and an under eye mask. So I'm excited to try the hand masks now as well. What's next? Feet masks? We're down to 2. So this is the Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. Okay, it is a balanced, shine enhancing overnight mask. Oh, it's for hair. It's hair mask. Now, for those who know me, I've been through 2 pregnancies, and the last pregnancy really took a toll on my hair. I've lost I had much hair. I still have my volume, don't get me wrong, I still have volume. This is all natural volume. However, I lost a lot of my hair. Plus, it's even more dry and it's even more frizzy. And I mean, I just cut it and the ends are really dry. Anyway, so when I can get a nice hair mask, and this is an overnight mask, I'm super happy. So this says apply to the lengths of dry hair, massaging the product onto the scalp. Leave in overnight. On waking, cleanse hair using pH balanced shampoo. If contact with eyes, no. Okay. This I'm very excited about. So thank you Lookfantastic for this. I've never heard of it. Grow Gorgeous. I will leave the full price of it over here. So it was quite heavy on the skincare and the hair care this time, but I like it. We have one more thing in the box. This is actually a makeup product, and this is by Sleek. It is the Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in French Fancy. Alright, this is beautiful pink. This would be perfect for Valentine's Day or even for spring or summer. It's quite a universal color. I like it. Let's swatch it. We've had Sleek products in the past in the Lookfantastic box, so oh, that's nice. And Sleek is a UK brand, so I like that. They really do. Lookfantastic, that's what I like about them. They really do showcase many UK brands. And I mean, social media and everything, I don't know why, but I tend to follow more American YouTubers than UK, English, British YouTubers. So I don't know many UK brands, but I'm excited to find out about them. And Lookfantastic actually promotes UK brands. So they do sell other brands on their website, of course. However, they really, in their subscription boxes, they really do push forward the UK name. So I'm very excited. And Sleek, it is available in Malta as far as I know, at least it was. So I have purchased some stuff from there. I have a few palettes and a couple of lip products like this one, in fact, however not this shade. And I'm excited to have a Sleek liquid lipstick. So thank you very much. Look fantastic. So here we have all the products that we have received. We have some skincare, we have the Complexion Sponge, the eye cream, the hair mask, the liquid lipstick, and the hand mask. This is so exciting, very intrigued. For this month, I can actually say that I like all 6 products. I'm very impressed by the selection, some skincare, some hair care, some hand care, and
a little makeup products as well. Super excited. If you would like me to keep you updated with any of these products, kindly leave me a comment down below. And if you have a favorite product, leave a comment as well. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you subscribe to my little channel so we can grow this family together. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified about when I upload. And do follow me on my social media, Antheamariavlogs and Antheamariavlogs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.